Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact Sungood frame model and that the replacement lenses match. This prevents misfit. Next, remove any screws or clips, use a small Phillips or the supplied tool and keep parts organized. If the frame is rimless or snap fit, apply gentle heat with a hair dryer for 10-15 seconds to soften plastic. This reduces stress. Once the frame feels pliable, pry gently at the lens edge with a suction puck or fingernail, lifting outward to begin separation. With one corner lifted, continue around the perimeter. Work slowly and keep the opposite side supported so the frame won't twist. Remove the old lens fully, then inspect the channel for debris, damaged gaskets, or bent metal inserts. Clean with alcohol and a microfiber cloth. Position the replacement lens into the frame at a shallow angle, seating any tabs or pegs first. Once aligned, press each section in sequence, left to right or top to bottom, so the lens seats evenly without gaps. After seating the lens, reinsert screws or clips and tighten just until snug. Over-tightening can crack the lens or strip threads. If your model uses a gasket, ensure it's properly seated and not pinched. Replace if worn. Inspect the glasses for optical alignment by holding them at arm's length and flipping them. Confirm no tilt or prism effect. Finally, wear them briefly to test comfort and seal. If the lens binds or pops out, gently reheat the frame and reseat, or swap in a fresh gasket before reassembly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.